So, by applying the 5 why method, we can usually find a root cause which we can use to reveal the actual problem that now we can address. With practice, this process becomes quicker and yet even reflexive to look for the root causes of situation as opposed to the surface symptoms. Now, what if we adapted the 5 why method and applied it not only to a situation, but also to our thought process about the problem? Reflexive leadership does exactly that and exposes our real thinking or root thoughts about the actual situation. Let's take a minute and think about something that bothers us or really, really irritates us. For me, it has to be those people in front of me at the supermarket that have more than 10 items on the express lane. I cannot tell you how this used to annoy me. I would death stare at that 11th and 12th item as it went down the conveyor belt. I would deeply sigh as the cashier rang up those last 2 items. And when the person left, I usually made some not so nice comment or snarky remark to the cashier about that person. My response to that situation was always the same: deep irritation bordering on anger. Because how dare those people think they can get away with it? But what was it? Stealing 2 minutes of my time? But when I learned to apply the 5 why method and direct it not just to the situation, but also to my feelings and thoughts on why this event caused such a visceral response, the root answer would change my response. Now, I still felt that those people were rude and should follow the rules. And I still believed it was unfair. Because remember, we can't change our feelings. We can only change the way we react to them. When I got to the 5th why, I found an almost forgotten experience when there was a situation of unfairness and a person having an advantage over me. So, whenever I was in that situation that reflected those feelings, I reacted unconsciously or involuntarily to all those future events, stuck with the thoughts and feelings of a consciously forgotten event. I am not in the present, but caught in the feelings of a past experience.